Hello and welcome to Y Schools. I am Stephanie. I am the International Promotion and Recruitment Manager at Y Schools in France. I will be presenting today the three main domains that we offer at Y Schools, namely management, tourism, and design. To begin with, where is Y Schools located? Y Schools is located in a medium-sized city, which is called Troyes, which is located 1 hour and a half from Paris by train or by car, and only a few hours from the other main European cities and capital cities. For example, Brussels is a 3-hour away from Troyes, London 4 hours, Amsterdam 5 hours, Luxembourg 3 hours and a half, Marrakesh in Morocco, 3 hours and 20 minutes. So you can either, depending on where you're going, you can either drive or take a train or take a plane. And it's easy, accessible. And also, if you are aiming at an international career, then for you, it will be easier to find internships or jobs after you graduate in these European cities. Troyes is the historical city of the Champagne region. You know Champagne, the beverage, the wine, but it's also the name of the region, and it's very famous for these typical houses with the wood on the face of it. And nearby, a few minutes by car from the city center, you can go to this lake region where you can go trekking, you can go sailing, you can just go for a picnic with your friends. It's really nice. And also in the city center, you can walk around, enjoy the bars and the restaurants and the cafes, and visit all the museums and the sites of the historical buildings. The campuses are located only a few minutes on foot from the city center. So here at the bottom left corner, you can see the more modern, it's actually a very new building. That's the main campus for the School of Management and the School of Tourism. And the top left image is the main campus of the School of Design. It's an old abbey, so it's a historical building as well. It's a human-size school. You'll be studying on human-size campuses. It's only 1,800 or so students, including 400 or so international students with 40 different nationalities. So you will be enjoying a very international environment. So how is Y Schools present in India? Currently, we have a representation office which is based in Bangalore, which is run by Katija Patel and Rahul Kumar. They have correspondents all over India to help you decide and guide you with your program choices. So Mrs. Patel and Mr. Kumar are both today and tomorrow on the Choose France Tour virtual fair. So you can talk with them, or with me, of course, about your study plans and your career plans as well. I also listed all the partners, all the international, institutional partners that we currently have in India, namely 4 IIM, Bangalore, Indore, Kozhikode, Raipur. So this is just to tell you what kind of partnerships we have in India, and so you can better assimilate what type of school we are. Because you don't know Y Schools maybe, but I'm sure you know IIM Indore, IIM Bangalore, and that's the level of recognition that we have to be able to partner with these prestigious institutions. South Champagne Business School to begin with, because I'm going to start now with the presentation of the schools and the programs. So South Champagne Business School has 3 bachelor programs and 2 master programs. I will start with the International BBA, which is a 4-year international degree. It's recognized by the French Ministry of Higher Education, and we offer 29 international double degrees. This program is taught 100% in English, and it offers a lot of opportunities for internships and study abroad experiences. So 4 years to discover, increase your knowledge, adapt and open up to the international context in order to build up a manager profile that will so that you can be able to work in a professional international context. The Global Bachelor in Management, we call it GBM, is French taught. It's 3 years and it's more oriented in marketing and sales. So French speakers are welcome to apply for this program, which is also recognized by the Ministry of Higher Education. At the master level, we offer the MIM, Programme Grande École, which is a 3-year program. So you can access year 1 after 2 years of successful years of higher education, but usually students rather integrate in year 2, which is equivalent to M1 level, or year 3, which is equivalent to M2 level. In the final year of the Master in Management program, you can have a choice of 9 different specializations in different domains. So it could be sports management, it could be in HR, it could be in finance, auditing. So you have a lot of different options available at both levels, bachelor and master. Finally, the MSc ICE, that would be the last program for the School of Management. MSc ICE is available after a 4-year bachelor degree. It lasts 12 months. And it's a program which is very specific to mix students with different backgrounds. In this program, we welcome students who have an engineering or a designer or a manager background, should it be in their studies or maybe in their professional experience. And the aim of this program is to gather people with different backgrounds onto one single project to run, manage, and why not put onto the market. Now moving to the School of Tourism. The School of Tourism has a bachelor program and a master program. The bachelor program is taught in French on 3 different campuses, Troyes, Paris, and Metz. So when you apply for the bachelor program, if you are a French speaker, you can choose one of these campuses for year 1 and year 2. Year 3, the final year of the bachelor program in tourism management, is taught whatever happens in Troyes for the moment. And you have a choice of 3 different specializations in wine tourism, in development of tourism products and services, and in hotel and restaurant management. At the master level, we offer an MBA in tourism management, which lasts 2 years, which is taught 100% in English, which offers the possibility to do internships, at least in the final year, and if you want also in year 1, and the possibility to spend 1 semester abroad in one of our partner universities. And we also offer 2 choices of specialization in luxury tourism or in business tourism and event management. The School of Tourism has a very strong professional network with some 1,000 companies in France and abroad. The professionals from these companies come to the school in order to give master classes, but also we have strong links to connect our students with the professionals from these universities, either for internship opportunities or for career opportunities after graduation. Whatever happens, it will be a way to develop your links and to start developing your professional network as well. Now moving to the School of Design. So the School of Design has an undergraduate and a postgraduate program. The postgraduate program is a state degree. The undergraduate program is a certificate. The whole curriculum at the School of Design at the moment is taught in French. So you can enter the School of Design if you speak French, either in year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. And if you leave at the end of year 3, you can obtain the certificate for visual communication designer. And if you leave after 5 years, so after the 5th year of the program, then you can obtain the state degree in designer and strategy manager. The 3 disciplines that we cover at the School of Design is visual communication, product design, and space design. Now, I wanted to share with you this testimonial that you received from one of the Indian students from the IIM Indore, who spent 1 semester with us during our exchange period, and she was absolutely happy with the experience she lived with us. So yeah, I wanted to share this nice picture and this nice testimonial. In order to tell you that the international context and the international environment that we're going to offer you at Wise-Couz is very unique, because it's family size. It's a family size school, a family size campus, and we are very close to all our students. We want to offer service-oriented training. And so with the help of the admission office, the international office, the career office, we will make sure that you have the most beautiful experience in your whole life with us, should you stay for your bachelor degree or your master degree, or only a few months or several years, whatever happens, it will be, I'm sure, the best experience ever for you. We are strong with our network of institutional partner universities all over the world, 200 international partner universities in every continent. I already showed you at the beginning of the presentation the list of Indian partners that we currently have. We're so happy and so thankful for having such great partners with us. As a student, you will be joining maybe and most probably one of the student associations, should it be the Arts Society, the Sports Society, the Student Society. But I'm sure that you will be in touch with ESN 3 at a certain moment in your program and before you arrive, and also upon arrival in 3, because ESN is the association that takes care of the integration and of welcoming the international students on campus and in the city. So you will have a lot of activities with them. They can help you discover the campus, the region, and they can organize activities for you, even visits, travels, why not? On campus, you will have access to all these places here. So you can see that the bigger amphitheater, which is called the arena, is very large. It's actually round, so every student can see the speakers from wherever they are sitting. You have several spaces in the school where you can just sit down and relax, take a coffee, talk with your student friends. This picture at the bottom left corner, it was taken a few days ago only, so you can see the bright autumn sunshine on the glass window of the main campus. The large corridor, which is like the big entrance hall of the campus, welcomes all the students. So it's a place where you can share, where you can talk, and where we organize usually events for the students. And here at the bottom right corner, you can see in the attic of the School of Design, one of the main workshop area for the design students. I'm gonna be done now with the presentation. So I give you here a few contact details. You can contact us by email or by phone. I put here the WhatsApp numbers of the India office and my also WhatsApp number. So you can contact either me or the Wise Cruise office in India, as you prefer. I remind you that Khatija, Raoul, and myself will be connected today and tomorrow on the Choose France Tour platform to discuss your plans. So feel free to come to us, to talk to us. Now, if you have any question, you can either ask them now or come to the Wise Cruise booth and we can discuss individually your study and career plans. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.